Sai Ram. Happy Thursday and happy Nav Sai Ratri Day to all. Pray ordinarily to Sai, he will do extraordinary for you. Be natural to Sai, he will do supernatural for you. Do whatever possible to Sai, he will do what is impossible for you. Sai says, if you are upset, I will get hurt. So just decide whether you are going to hurt me more. I have promised you, my child, that your life is in my hand. Bad situation exists in everyone's life, but it does not stay forever. If you have complete faith on me, then just free your mind and be at rest. I am there with you. I will give you a happier life. In the last video, we saw how Hemant Pant had chit-chat with Shama. Now, we will continue with the story of Mrs. Radhabai Deshmukh. There was an old woman by name Radhabai Deshmukh. Hearing Baba's fame, she came to Shirdi with the people of Sangamner. She took Baba's darshan and was much satisfied. She loved Baba intimately and resolved in her mind that she should accept Baba as her guru and take some upadesh from him. She determined to fast herself unto death, so long as Baba did not accept her and give her any upadesh. She stayed in a lodging and stopped taking food or water for 3 days. Then Shama interceded on her behalf and said, Deva, what is this you have started? You drag so many persons here. You know that the old lady is very obstinate and dependent on you. She resolved to fast unto death. If you don't accept and instruct her, if anything worse happens, people will blame you and say that Baba did not instruct her and as a consequence, she met her death. So take some mercy on her, bless her and instruct her. On seeing her determination, Baba sent for her and made her change her mind by addressing as follows. Oh mother, why do you have to subject yourself to unnecessary tortures? You are my mother and I am your child. Take pity on me and hear me through. I tell you my own story, which if you listen carefully, will do you good. I had a guru. He was a great saint. I served him long, very long. Still, he would not blow any mantra into my ears. I had keen desire never to leave him, but to stay with him and serve him at all cost, receive some instructions from him. But he had his own way. He first got my head shaved and asked me for 2 paises as dakshina. His 2 paises were firm faith and patience. I gave these 2 paises to him and he was pleased. I resorted to my guru for 12 years. He brought me up. There was no dearth of food and clothing. He was full of love, or say he was love incarnate. He loved me most. When I looked at him, he seemed as if he was in deep meditation, and then we both were filled with bliss. Night and day, I gazed at him with no thought of hunger and thirst. Without him, I felt restless. I had no other subject to meditate upon, nor anything than my guru to attend. He was my sole refuge. My mind was always fixed on him. I waited patiently and served my guru. This saburi will ferry you across the sea of this mundane existence. Saburi removes all sins and afflictions, get rid of calamities in various ways, and cast aside all fear and ultimately give you success. This saburi is the mine of virtues, consort of good thoughts. Faith and patience are like twin sisters, loving each other very intimately. The remaining story will be continued in the next video. Bow to Shri Sai, peace be to all. Subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.